We are driven by the goal of developing the best possible substrates for crops, while also preserving the valuable and scarce resource of peat. To achieve this, we are constantly seeking alternatives to peat and testing the latest solutions. Peat offers numerous beneficial properties as a growth medium. However, its extraction process contributes to carbon dioxide emissions. The various alternatives present a range of pros and cons. Wood fibres and coconut chips are effective as a substrate base, but their preparation requires large amounts of water in regions where water is scarce and they are sourced from far away. Additionally, transportation results in a significant carbon footprint. We also utilise wood fibre as a substrate base, which is a rapidly renewable local material. It provides excellent structural support and has favourable air and drainage properties. However, it is not as efficient at retaining water, and its production requires significant energy, making it a supplementary option. Compost offers many benefits as a substrate ingredient, being rich in nutrients and locally sourced. However, controlling its quality and maintaining its purity and consistency is challenging. Its industrial production results in significant carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere. So, what can we do to meet the needs of the plants, the environment, and ourselves? One solution is to produce compost in a manner that maximises its advantages and minimises its disadvantages. This is achievable through the use of new patented technologies based on anaerobic fermentation processes. The process begins with the careful selection of post-agricultural biomass as the base. This is then formed into a large heap and enhanced with minerals and specially selected microorganisms to decompose organic matter. The heap of post-agricultural biomass, enriched with minerals and microorganisms, is covered tightly and the microorganisms begin their work. The temperature rises to 60 degrees as the microorganisms multiply and the process of Mikro Bio Turbation begins, with specially selected microorganisms participating. During this anaerobic decomposition process, carbon molecules form and do not combine with oxygen, resulting in no emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and instead, the carbon is bound into glucose and humic acids. The entire fermentation process is meticulously monitored and takes a minimum of 6 months to complete. This method leads to the creation of Form, a cutting-edge eco-compost of the new generation. With eco-compost, the substrate not only provides structure, but also acts as a repository of nutrients. By using this new generation compost, we not only conserve peat, but also significantly reduce emissions generated during the extraction of peat and the production of compost. Advantages for plants: rich in humus, absorbs water and allows drainage, clean and odourless. Advantages for soils: improves soil structure, fertilizes, protects against depletion. Advantages for the climate: it is locally sourced and locally used. No carbon dioxide is released during its production. In a large percentage, it is a substitute for peat in substrates. Form: good for plants, good for soils, good for climate, good for us.